when we have to solve inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of t for which this inequality is true. So let me copy this example first. I have 8t minus 1 over 3 is greater than 2t plus 1. Because I have fraction on the left side, I will multiply both sides by 3 to reduce. So 3 and 3 will cancel, and I have 8t minus 1 is greater than, and I have to multiply 2t by 3 and 1 by 3. So 2t by 3 is 6t. 1 times 3 is 3. Now I have to collect all terms with t to one side. I will move 6t to the left side, so I have 8t minus 6t is greater than 3. I will move negative 1 to the right side, so it will be plus 1. 8t minus 6t is 2t is greater than 4. Now, because I have multiplication here, I will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel, and we have t is greater than 2. So now I have to draw number line t. I have 0, 1, 2. Because I have sign greater than 2, it means 2 is not included, and t is greater than 2, it means going to positive infinity. So I have interval from 2 to plus infinity. This is my solution. Now I have to check if it's correct. I have to choose one number from this interval. For example, t is equals 3. So I have to copy this example. I have 8t minus 1 over 3 is greater than 2t plus 1. Now I will replace t by 3. So I have 8 times 3 minus 1 over 3 is greater than 2 times 3 plus 1. 8 times 3 is 24 minus 1 over 3 is greater than 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 24 minus 1 is 23 over 3 is greater than 7. 23 divided by 3 is 7, and 2/3 is greater than 7. So this inequality is true. It means our solution is correct.